What if your WordPress table could do more? Imagine searching your table just like a search engine. We're thrilled to introduce the all-new FlexTable Search-Only Display feature. It's a game changer for showcasing specific data like student records or employee information based on user input. This tutorial will walk you through all the steps to achieve your goal. So, let's dive in. Before start, if you're using the Pro version of FlexTable, you'll have access to this feature. So feel free to update if needed. Once you're set up with Pro, head over to your FlexTable dashboard and select the table you want to work on. At the top, click on the Conditional View tab. Here, you'll find the option for Search-Only Display. Go ahead and enable it. Now, you'll have two ways to show your search results. If you want instant results as you type, stick with the default setting. But if you'd rather see results only after pressing Search, switch to the second option. Once you've chosen your preferred mode, click Fetch and Save to apply the changes. For a bit more control, you can also turn on column-specific search. For this table, we will set roll number as our search trigger. As you can see, if we write names, the table will not show anything. But if we search for roll number and search, it will show up. And that's it. You're all set to use Search-Only Display and FlexTable. Give it a try and see how it works for you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.